How do I recover my Pinterest account? So here is a complete step-by-step guide to recover your Pinterest account, whether you forgot your password or lost access to your email or your account was disabled. First of all, go to the Pinterest.com or open the Pinterest app on your mobile device, and all you have to do is simply tap on the login button available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the login, you will be navigated to the Pinterest login page. Now here, if you want to recover Pinterest account, then you can tap on the forgot your password option available there and simply recover your password. Or you can also tap on the continue with Google or continue with Facebook or continue with Apple option available, and Pinterest will reconnect you automatically if the linked account is active. And after that, all you have to do is, if you want to recover it since your account has been disabled, then simply logging into your Pinterest can simply fix these issues too. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.